am an avid fan of yours, especially Easy Rock for so many years. I love all the songs that you guys play. It's kind of relaxing and it suits my soul. Anyway, I just want to ask for your advice. Please hide my real identity and call me baby. I'm 32 years old, a single mom, and dalawa po ang anak ko. I met a guy a month ago. He is good looking and I find him attractive. He said na matagal niya na akong nakikita and he has a big crush on me. Dumating yung time na he got my number and we have conversations over the phone. We see each other halos every day, and then one day he told me that he likes me and he thinks that he's falling in love with me. Chloe, I like him too. But the problem is he is too young for me. He's only 19 years old. I'm not sure if he is serious about me, given that I am a single mom. Please help me. I don't know if I would give him a chance to be a part of my life. I'm kind of scared that it might not work kung maging kami man. Thank you, Chloe. More power to your program. Your avid fan, Baby. Hi, Baby. Thank you for your letter. Although I must admit, when I read the part na 19 lang yung guy na involved, medyo muntik na akong malaglag talaga sa kinauupuan ko. Pero ramdam ko, I feel your kilig. Umaabot dito sa Roas Boulevard. At yung buhok mo ay nakapulupo talaga sa Star Flyer ng Star City. Well, wala namang masamang bigyan ng sarili mo ng chance na magmahal ulit. Kaya lang, well, 19, bata pa talaga. Well, yes, age doesn't matter and maturity doesn't come with age. Pero para sa akin lang ha, yung mga ganitong mga edad ng mga kalalakihan, mga explorers pa to eh. Baka hindi pa to mama, alam mo yon. He is still a boy. Tapos na ba siya ng college? Parang hindi pa. Or ng pag-aaral niya man lang. Ano ba ang intention niya sa'yo? Marami kang kailangang i-consider dito, okay? At yung ganyang bata pa, maraming isipin yan. Nag-aaral, gumi-girlfriend, nakikipagpayabangan, barkada, inom. Siyempre, ang set of friends niyan, mga bagets din. Kaya mo bang sumama-sama sa mga gimmick nila? E paano yung mga anak mo? 'Di ba? Saan mo sila iiwan? Di ba sobrang bata naman yan para sa'yo? I mean, boys like this usually want mature women. So, I don't know, maybe they can get some experience. But someone told me before, boys really are into women for the experience. Eh lalo ka na, dalawa na ang anak mo. I mean, don't get me wrong. Kasi, hindi ka naman 16 years old, di ba? Marami ka talagang kailangang i-consider dito. Unang-una na yung mga anak mo. Lalo-lalo na kung na-expose sila dito sa karelasyon mo. Or maybe I'm wrong. Maybe a 19-year-old kid can do wonders for you and your kids. What do you think? You know him better. Pero para sa akin, pag-isipan mong mabuti. Well, kung for the experience, dahil medyo bata pa, why not? Tao ka, di ba? Sabi ng iba, kung kaya mo bang panindigan. Pero if you're going to look for pagiging seryoso, if you're looking for something that's, for real, and parang alanganin, parang bata pa. Parang, alam mo yun, yung age gap ninyo. Para sa akin, nakakakilig, nakakatuwa kasi bata pa. But at the end of the day, mauunang sumakit ang mga tuhod mo. 'Di ba? Parang, at least may mag-aalaga sa'yo. Pero parang, pangit naman, magkikipagrelasyon ka para lang sa ganun. But, at the end of the day, if you guys love each other, sino ba naman ang mga tao para humusga? Kayo lang naman ang nakakaalam kung ano ang meron kayo. Alright? So, thank you so much for your letter. I hope I was able to help.
Hey, thanks for watching! For more exclusive videos and
artist interviews, you can check out our videos by clicking here. And don't forget to follow us
on our social media accounts too.
Links are in the description below.